So it looks like we're going to get a lot more accomplished on the stereo in the Bro-Vada today than we thought. This was in the mailbox when I just went and checked the mail. And we'll show you exactly what this is. eBay 8-gauge amp install kit. Holy crap, talk about some generic shit. Premium quality. See that, guys? It's premium quality. Bestseller. Yeah, it's a bestseller because it's a cheap ass fucking hunk of fucking shit. Well, we're about to find out about this motherfucker. So stay tuned, guys. We're getting ready to hook the stereo up. Or should I say, the subwoofer.